So here I got the metal bed frame from FSCHOS, and I was looking through all the questions. I saw, how long does it take to get set up a bunch? I saw, what are the holes to measure up to your headboard? And then the third question I saw was, do you need a box spring with this mattress? So those are the ones I was seeing. I'm gonna answer all those questions for you and hopefully help you out. So for the first question, how long does it take to set up? This took me under an hour. It's super easy to set up, and I have a video going above me where you can see a lot of it, you just unfold it. Then you're able just to bolt in, the corners of it, and you're pretty much good to go. So it's super easy to set up. If you got 2 people, honestly, you could probably get it done in a half hour. That'd be my guess. It was just me, but I got it done in under an hour. The second question is, the holes on the legs here, do they measure up to your headboard? So I went and measured them for you. It's 5 inches, 8 inches, and 10 inches, and they're on every single leg. So if your headboard is around that, it should measure up for you. It's pretty versatile, so hopefully you got one of those dimensions. And the third one is, do you need a box spring for this mattress? So nope, you got slats that go all the way back so you can put your mattress right on top of it. You do not need a box spring. And I saw some people wanting the distance between the slats. I measured them for you. They are 7 inches. So 7 inches between the slats and no box spring needed. So overall, this is a great, easy bed frame to set up. It gets the job done and work great in any bedroom, and I'm a big fan of it. The easy setup is what I like the most. So overall, great buy.